Hello friends, welcome to another Python 3 tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to solve basic mathematical problems using Python. In this tutorial, I'll show you 4 programs one by one. Let's check the first one, how to find out factors of any number. And we already know factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. Suppose a number 12 has 6 factors. So here we have to find out the factors. So now we have to open Python idle and take input. The data type will be int because the factors of a number we're finding, it should be integer. Then we have to take for loop and variable I holds the value in between 1 and n plus 1 because 1 and the number itself both are included factors of that particular number. So now I have to check the given number in modulus of I means of all the numbers in between in the given range equals to 0, then all the factors will be printed. Now look at the output. If we write print statement, so we have to write it after taking the input. The factors are and now the output looks better. And our second program is to check a number is prime or not. So first we have to take an input n. If n is a positive number, so we have to go inside the loop, otherwise else portion, which is a negative number, is not a prime number. Then I go inside the loop and I in range 2 to n because we know a prime number has only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. So I have to start it from 2. Then check that the particular number modulus of I means all the numbers in a particular range equals to 0. That means it's not a prime number. We have to break from the loop, otherwise it is a prime number. And I have to run the program and see the output. The number $82 is taken, so it is not a prime number because it's divisible by 41, is divisible by 2, and this time another number is taken. This is 47, is a prime number because this number only has 2 factors, the number itself and 1. So our next program is to find out the factorial of any number. Mathematically, the factorial formula is n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 factorial. Suppose I have to find out the factorial of 5. So 5 factorial, actually it is 5 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 1. So it is 120. So let's go. So we have to take an input n and variable fact is initialized to 1 and take a loop from 1 to this particular number, and every time the fact variable is multiplied by I. And now see the output. We took 5 and factorial of 5 is 120. Mathematically, the result is also 120. Our last program is to find out the sum of first n natural numbers. The mathematical formula to find out the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So if we're supposed to find out the sum of first 10 natural numbers, so it will be 10 multiplied by 11 divided by 2. So answer will be 55. So let's check the program. First you have to take in as input, and we have to take another variable sum. Sum variable is initialized to 0, and take for loop in range 1 to this particular number plus 1, and every time the sum variable will be increased by I. Now run the program and check the output. If we enter 10, then the sum of the first two natural numbers will be 55. The result is 55, is same as the result it got mathematically. Thank you. I will see you guys in the next video.